Hydrogen fuel. Is it the future of cars? Everyone's talking about electric cars, but what if the real future of driving runs on hydrogen? Unlike electric cars that take hours to charge, hydrogen vehicles can refuel in just 5 minutes and travel even farther. So how does it work? Inside a hydrogen fuel cell, hydrogen meets oxygen, creating electricity to power the car and releasing only water as exhaust. It's fast, it's clean, and it produces zero emissions. But there's a catch. Hydrogen production is expensive and refueling stations are still rare. Still, car makers like Toyota, Hyundai, and BMW are investing billions in hydrogen innovation, believing it could power the next generation of transport. So, is hydrogen the future of cars? Maybe not today, but it's a glimpse of what tomorrow might look like. This is Gadget's Demon, where the future of cars and technology begins.